In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in QuickBooks Online effectively, ensuring you can easily find exactly what you're looking for in no time. QuickBooks Online is an incredibly powerful tool for managing your business finances, but navigating through all of the data can sometimes feel overwhelming. Fortunately, it offers a universal search bar that is straightforward and user-friendly. One of the fantastic features you'll find in QuickBooks Online is the presence of a universal search bar. No matter where you are in the software, you can always turn to the top of your screen to locate this handy tool. This search bar is designed to assist you with finding almost anything recorded in your QuickBooks. The design intends to offer you quick access to any data, whether you're looking for specific accounts, transaction names, or even more detailed criteria. It's right there, always ready to streamline your searching process. What's more exciting is that QuickBooks has integrated artificial intelligence into this search tool. This means it's not only quick, but also smart. You can now use simple natural language prompts to search for specific criteria you need. The AI component helps in sorting and presenting the data you ask for with remarkable accuracy. This development transforms your search experience, making it more intuitive and tailored to your particular needs. To make use of this, you simply click on the search bar at the top of your screen. Once you've clicked on it, type in exactly what you're looking for. For instance, if you need to find a particular account or transaction, just enter those names or details right into the search bar. Whether you're hunting down transaction names, specific dates, or types, this tool has you covered. You can even search for transactions that include particular memos or descriptions. This feature can be a real game changer, especially if you're dealing with a large volume of data. Being able to pinpoint exactly what you need in just a few keystrokes saves precious time and effort, leaving you more space in your day for other vital tasks. And there you have it. That's the essence of utilizing the universal search bar in QuickBooks Online. It's simple to use and yet extremely robust, providing you with a powerful tool to manage your business's financial data efficiently. By getting comfortable with this feature, you can enhance your productivity and focus on what truly matters. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to QuickBooks, leveraging this tool will undoubtedly enhance your workflow significantly. Thank you for watching, and happy searching on QuickBooks Online.